Hello guys, it's me again. Okay guys, why there's many of this stuff? This one. Okay.
Atong pilok kon be.
You unlogging.
Paliti ko be.
Guys, sorry
Kaning dark.
because
Pilok kon lagi tika. Paliti sa ko. Oh, karon. Oh, una.
don't just mind that guys.
Order sa ako. Kaya na ikaw. Isog bitaw ka, pilokan tika.
That is not.
Wait after. Ang nasa dapit sa mata?
Okay,
Be, sa mata.
this is the new update, so I will jump in here. So don't mind that boys because she's dumb.
That boy guys because I'm a girl.
Boom.
Ito daw.
Yo, why is
Ikaw te.
last one? Last one. Last one. Last one. Yo.